Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Subnautica 2 not launching. So here's what you're gonna do. First thing you have to do is go to search, type in EX, and then open it. So once this opens here, you want to look for a few things. That is, first, you want to look for your CPU. Which is it? Like which kind? Like the number, the model. You want to copy this. Also, you want to look for which version of DirectX you're running. If you're running DirectX 11, you won't be able to play Subnautica 2. So here's a few things you can try. So you want to copy this processor or CPU and then type in here Ryzen 7 3700X Subnautica compatible. And then the AI will say is highly compatible. Okay, because if you have some other older processor, even if you install the DirectX 12, you won't be able to play the game because it's using the old hardware, which is like blocked from working with DirectX 12. As you can see here, this guy has a 5th gen Intel with the HD graphics. And it says it only supports DirectX 11.2 at hardware level, so it means you can update the software, but it won't work. You need a better CPU and GPU for it to be able to play. Also, this guy says he's like running for 980, and he cannot play it also. And after you check if your PC supports the game, now you can go to search, type in settings. Go to system settings or just click here display for a little bit till you find graphics, and you want to make sure click here advanced GPU settings, and you want to make sure that you have hardware accelerated GPU scheduling on. After you have enabled that, you want to go here, open your NVIDIA app or AMD app and go to drivers, and then download the latest game ready driver and then try the game again. Hopefully that fixes your issue. That's how you fix Subnautica 2 not launching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.